Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto E22. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store, so let's find it right here. Now let's look for the Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, and here you can customize the theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change privacy settings. You can also read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Here open any website, and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.